We are group 15. We'll talk to you about IG class switching. We'll start with talking about what IG is. IG is an abbreviation for immunoglobulin. IG is an body of the human and divided into 5 classes. The names of the classes are G, M, A, D, and E. And each of these 5 types has their own functions, like this. 3 main functions are opsonization, neutralization, complement activation. Opsonization is a function to improve the efficiency of phagocytosis. Neutralization is a function that binds and inactivates viruses that scatter out. Complement activation is a protein that activates the immune phenomenon. It is activated by antigen-antibody reaction. Opsonization is mainly performed by IgG. Neutralization is mainly performed by IgA. Complement activation is mainly performed by IgG and IgM. Then we'll talk about class switching. As a B cell matures, the class of antibodies which the B cell makes changes from type M to another type. How class switching is going? The shape of antibody of human is like this. Antibody has variable region and constant region. When class switching happens, constant region of heavy chain transforms. Variable region have no effect on class switching. We'll explain in more detail about that. DNA which makes antibodies in B cell is like this. When the antigen sticks to the receptor, some DNAs is constant region start changing. And finally, they are removed. The new class will be decided how long the base sequence is removed. The most typical class switching is from IgM to IgG. IgG is the most common antibody in blood plasma, which accounts for 70 to 75% of human antibody. And IgG is important for detectation of the risk factor, or recognition of antigen-antibody complexes by leukocytes and macrophages. IgM has a short half-life of 5 days, whereas IgG has a long half-life of 3 weeks. In addition, IgG is produced and increased every time infection is repeated, so the amount of the antibody has increased for a very long time. Changes in IgG and IgM antibody levels after infection are shown in this figure. Finally, we will introduce a disease called high IgM syndrome. High IgM syndrome is immunodeficiency disorder which is occurred by the failure of the class switching. In patients with high IgM syndrome, IgG and IgA in blood are reduced while IgM is normal or high. The disease is divided into those with a decrease in humoral immunity and those with a decrease in cell-mediated immunity, as well as decrease in humoral immunity.